Hi everyone. I know I have taken a long gap, but from today onwards I'm back and I'm going to keep you update regularly. Please follow my channel and subscribe if you haven't already. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. And from starting next week, I will begin a brand new Python and MongoDB series. I will walk you through everything step by step so even beginners can follow along easily. And now I am going to give some career opportunities about here Inspiran Labs is hiring for freshers with experience 0 to 1 year, and here the qualification required is bachelor's or any degree for data scientist engineer. And you can see the description, the skills they have mentioned. If the skills align with your skills, then you can apply. And here you can see Python or SQL Excel is needed for this, and bachelor's degree also, and master's also. If anyone completed and looking for a job opportunity, it is a good opportunity. And Cvent is also hiring for associate product consultant deposit, and location is Gurugram, India. And here you can see here you need bachelor's degree to apply for this role. So here also see the description. If it matches with your skills, please apply for this, and it is also good opportunity. And my career net is hiring for trainee software engineer. Experience required is 0 to 1 year, and CTC 9 to 12.5 lakhs per annum. Location is Bangalore. And here also education is required postgraduate from a recognized college university, and good to have technical skills in embedded application testing, and good to have knowledge on Java, Python, C Sharp. And if you have good projects, and you will eligible to apply here, and it maybe you can select also. And McKinsey and companies hiring for software delivery analyst for Gurugram location. Go through the description, and for this role you need an engineering degree to apply for this. So strong proficiency in Excel, and proficiency in macros, array functions, and PowerPoint, and go through these. So I will be updating about this career opportunity regularly. So I will be posting videos on Python and MongoDB, and I truly believe these will be helpful for everyone. Please support me by subscribing, liking, and commenting. If you want more such videos, let me know what topics you would like to see. Your support really means a lot, and thank you, and have a nice and great day. And I'm going to do more videos on job opportunities and education. So please support me. Okay, bye.